In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-agent workflow on MindPal that can assist with competitive analysis. Here, I'm using local competitive analysis via Google Maps as an example, which is especially useful for businesses with a strong local presence, such as brick-and-mortar shops, fashion boutiques, coffee shops, and more. However, this same approach can be adapted to other sources of competitor data, including e-commerce platforms like Amazon. Let's dive in. This AI workflow begins with human input to gather basic information about the location and business category for competitor searches. If you're using this workflow for your own business, you might not need to input these values each time. They can be built into the workflow as fixed parameters or left as variables, depending on your preference. With this information, the workflow starts by finding competitor data through a competitor discovery agent connected to my Google Maps extractor web scraper powered by Appify MCP. This allows access to the most up-to-date data from Google Maps. If you want to learn more about how Appify MCP works with MindPal, check out one of our previous tutorial videos for a deep dive. Next, the competitor data collected from Google Maps is passed to a step that analyzes each competitor in detail. The first step provides raw data such as website, address, and more. To make the competitive analysis truly valuable, this next step goes beyond raw data by visiting each competitor's website and conducting further online research to deliver a comprehensive analysis. The criteria for this analysis are fully customizable, giving you complete control over how each competitor is evaluated. Finally, all detailed competitor analyses are sent to a synthesis agent that generates a competitive report. This report offers a big picture overview of the competitive landscape, not just individual competitors, and may include concrete recommendations tailored for you. Once your AI workflow is set up, generating a competitive analysis report is simple. Just provide the input. For example, if I want to analyze coffee shops in Palo Alto, the workflow starts by finding competitors on Google Maps. It calls the Google Maps extractor, powered by Appify, to collect initial data for each competitor. This initial list can be quite extensive. In this demo, it includes 40 competitors, each with details like address, rating, phone number, website, and neighborhood. To dive deeper, the second step analyzes each competitor beyond the initial data by reviewing their websites and conducting additional online research as needed. This results in a thorough SWOT analysis for each competitor. The process continues until all competitors in the list are analyzed. For demonstration purposes, I've limited the competitor count to 10, but you can customize this setting to include more if you wish. With all individual competitor analyses complete, the workflow passes them to the next step to generate a comprehensive competitive report. This report considers all competitors collectively, helping identify patterns and trends. As a result, the final recommendations are more concrete, practical, and helpful. By the way, this entire analysis framework is customizable. You can bring this AI workflow template, linked in the video description, into your own MindPal workspace, duplicate it, and tailor every aspect to your needs. This allows you to train each AI agent on your unique analysis framework so it performs competitive analysis just like you would. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we'll see you in the next videos. Happy automating!